Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Kind of a cool graphic, really easy to make. Let's just move this one out of the way. Start with an oval. I'm having trouble grabbing it. Just take an oval and just make it about that size. Control D while holding down the control button, so it'll go straight down about there. So there's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go ahead and group them together. Control D and rotate it 90 degrees. We're going to Control G to group it and hit P to put it in the center of the page, which is kind of important. To make it look like that, we're going to rotate it 45 degrees. And then you just need to get your Smart Fill tool and start on the outside one. So this one's a little bit different than the one I just did. There's going to be some more. So we're going to Smart Fill that, and that little bit right there. We don't want that one. We want it to stop. Then I'm going to go the other way on the other opposite line, but I need to go and hit those. So this one, I need to hit these. And I always go to it, and then I'll go back and get that little bitty one. Then go on this side and take the outside one and the next one. And that's really about it. We've got this group together, so I can move it out of the way. Control G to group it, Control D to duplicate it, Alternate C to have it rotate from the center of the page and rotate it 90 degrees. Pretty easy. I think I'm going to go a little bit further with it. I'm going to make part 2 and actually have the white filling in the white. So stay tuned for part 2. Pretty cool graphic. Anyway, I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.